Friends, I may have made another terrible financial decision. Happy mail. And by terrible, I mean absolutely correct. Today we are unboxing the Belinda Bag from Blackwood Castle. If you're not familiar with Blackwood Castle, they're a Canadian gothic fashion brand that's founded by designer Yasmin Getty. And they're known for creating dark, romantic clothing and accessories that look like they belong in a Victorian manner. But they're made with modern, ethical, vegan materials. Already loving the presentation. Beautiful red. I swear I understand that goth brands know that opening up a package should feel just like receiving mysterious correspondence from a distant relative you've never met who's leaving you in a state the best kind. Beautiful velvet dust bag. This is gorgeous. And of course, the Belinda Bag is a collaboration between Blackwood Castle and Tommy Vowles, a designer who's known for his distinctive belts and harnesses and the gothic hardware details. So this bag combines both Blackwood Castle's dark romantic aesthetic, which goes perfectly with my soft goth vibe, along with Tommy's signature metalwork inspired design elements, and I really love that. Look at the design elements. Look at this hardware. So cool. The decorative magnetic clasp is based on Tommy Vowles' signature ring formation design and honestly looks like something a vampire countess would carry to brunch. Comes with this removable silver chain strap, which means that I can wear it on my shoulder, dramatically swinging it, or I can just clutch it in the elevator, silently judging everyone's life choices. Versatility. We love versatility. Inside, you have got a beautiful presentation as well. Red satin, you've got slip pockets for organization. I need that because usually my handbags look like a cryptid nesting site. Just saying. And this is totally roomy. Your iPhone is going to fit, your wallet's going to fit, your keys are going to fit, some tiny emotional support trinkets. Who knows? A sour jar for your ex, whatever. This bag is made from premium vegan leather, and it comes with that beautiful velvet protective dust bag for storage. So overall, I feel like Blackwood Castle really hit the mark. This feels like one of those rare pieces that's practical enough for everyday wear, but dramatic enough to make strangers wonder whether you have forbidden knowledge. And frankly, that's the energy I'm trying to cultivate. Just saying. Let me know in the comments. Would you style this with a romantic soft goth outfit, an edgy corporate goth look, maybe full vampire aristocratic regalia? Because personally, if you want to know the truth, I'm leaning towards the widow who inherited the castle under mysterious circumstances. Ooh. So let me talk about my jewelry for just a moment. This necklace is from Martha Rotten. This snake necklace is actually from Temu. This other snake necklace, Martha Rotten. This is a snake vertebra ring with a jewel in the color Nightfall, which is a gray. And this 3-fingered snake ring is one of my absolute favorites, and it's got a little onyx there. Disturbia headband. The bolero is from Killstar, as is the dress. And chunky shoes. The chunky shoes are from Amazon. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for participating in my shopping addiction. Bye, guys.